My name is Brett Chadwick. Today I'd like to introduce you to the disk encryption options contained in the DriveLock security platform. DriveLock has many options to provide encryption. These include full disk encryption. This would be used, for example, with an internal hard disk on a laptop or a desktop machine. Full disk encryption provides you with a pre-boot authentication prior to the Windows partition being unlocked and allowing Windows to boot. The pre-boot authentication hands over to Windows, allowing users to log in once they're in the pre-boot environment, without the need to log in again when Windows launches. Full disk encryption can be configured with many different settings, including the ability to unlock automatically using certificates or passphrase-based encryption, which allows the user to set a passphrase to log in. There's many different encryption options around FIPS compliance, the hashing algorithms utilized for that. And you'll see those under the DriveLock disk protection section within the console. The second method provided for encrypting disks is encryption to go, which provides a convenient method to encrypt removable media like CD, DVD, USB, or external hard disks. This would commonly be called container-based encryption. Container-based encryption allows you to encrypt the entire container. Very similar to full disk encryption, it would be encrypting the entire device or an entire partition of a particular device. And again, there's numerous settings that you can set around that, including the enforcement of encryption, so that users are forced to encrypt the device when they connect it to a machine. Password recovery for those devices, because users will and can forget their encryption passphrases. And again, FIPS and algorithm settings for the type of encryption that is used. Password complexity settings and other more advanced settings around that for encryption to go. DriveLock supports multiple encryption methods or algorithms. Depending on the industry and the compliance or level of security required, you may select from AES, Triple DES, Blowfish, Twofish, Cast5, or Serpent. Password hashing is carried out to avoid storing passwords. Multiple hash mechanisms are also offered. Those include settings like SHA-1, RipMed 160, SHA-2, Whirlpool, SHA-512, SHA-256, depending on the requirements in your environment. DriveLock uses a FIPS 140-2 validated cryptography algorithm or module. The key functionality that DriveLock encryption provides is a secure mechanism to encrypt devices or internal or external hard drives or storage devices. It includes pre-boot authentication, ensuring that Windows or the operating system is not unlocked until you have entered the correct passphrase or certificate has been presented. It offers container, file, and full disk encryption, visibility into devices and machines which are encrypted through the control center, and very easy enterprise management of all systems recovery keys used for encryption, which is key to being able to have encryption done at an enterprise level across your environment and various machine types. Thank you.